Hi, this is Alicia from Genius, and today I'm going to teach you how to share and feature games in the Pixicade Education Edition. To share games, you must first have created and be in a course and lesson. Click the annotation in the top right corner to watch a video about how to create courses and lessons. You will automatically be switched to the most recently created course and lesson. To change which course and/or lesson you are in, click the Course and Lessons button, which can be found on the home screen, Arcade, and Create menu. First, select a course. Then, click the Lesson button to select a lesson within the course. Before you create your game, make sure you are in the lesson you want to share it to. Once you are in the correct lesson, create your game. If you would like to learn how to create and play the different Pixicade game types, click the annotation in the top right corner to view a playlist of full tutorials for each game type. To share games, you must first be able to win it and give it a name. Click the Share button on the Win screen in order to share. If you want to change which course and/or lesson your game has been shared in, you can click the Course and Lesson buttons on the Shared Game Confirmation pop-up. Featuring games is a great way to show example games for each lesson or showcase your students' work. On the home screen, click the Feature Game button. Choose a game from the list of games shared to that lesson and click Submit. If you want to change the featured game, click the Edit button on the bottom right of the box. There are tons of features available in Pixicade Education Edition. Click the annotation in the top right corner to see a playlist full of step-by-step tutorials about how to create users, courses, lessons, share games, and so much more. We recommend watching the playlist in order for the best experience possible. If you have any more questions, you can email us at education@bitagenius.com, and we are happy to help you. We hope that you and your students enjoy creating and playing your own video games with Pixicade Mobile Game Maker.